Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, how you can fix if the battery health is decreasing fast after iOS 17 update. So in this video, I'll tell you the possible solutions through which you can fix the battery health decreasing fast problem on your iPhone or iPad device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS 17. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you need to open Control Center. The first one thing you will have to make sure that you will have to use low brightness. Here you will have to use the low brightness, especially at the night. After that, here make sure that when you don't use your mobile phone, here you will have to turn off your Wi-Fi and also turn off the mobile data. If you are not using the mobile phone, then here you will have to remember that you will have to turn off the Wi-Fi and you will need to turn off the mobile data also. After that, here you need to again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here scroll it below. Then here again scroll it below. Then here tap on battery. Then here you'll have to turn on this toggle low power mode. Here you will have to turn on this toggle. Then after that, go back. Then here you can also use the dark mode. Here you can also use the dark mode. It will also enhance your battery health. So here you can also use the dark mode on your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will need to again open setting. Then here you will have to scroll it below. Then tap on general. Then here you need to tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. Then after that, here again open setting. Then here scroll it below, and here is option of background app refresh. Here tap on this, and here make sure that background app refresh is turned off from here. If it is on, here you will have to turn off this from here. Then after that, go back. Then here you will need to again open setting. Then tap on general. Then here you will need to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here you need to tap on reset. Then here you need to tap on reset network settings. So after that, enter here your iPhone passcode. Then after that, you will need to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device, and from here you will have to update all the apps which are asking for the updates. So after that, you will need to close this tab. Then after that, here you will need to tap on setting. Then scroll it below. Then here tap on notifications, and then from here you will have to turn off the notification which you don't need. Here you will have to turn off all those notifications which you don't need. After that, here you will need to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down. Then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way, you can fix the problem if your battery health on your iPhone device is decreasing fast. So these are the methods through which you can fix this problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.